Hello guys, and welcome back to the 12th part of this course. So in this one we'll be talking about return statements in Python. So the return keyword basically allows our program return some information after running our programs here in Python. So we want to go ahead and create a new file, and by the time we get deep into this course you're going to understand what the return statement does. So let's name this return underscore statement, and in here let's say we want to cube a number in Python. It's as easy as saying q2 cube 3, but we want a function that should help us cube this number. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. Now I want to define a function cube. So we want to define cube as a function. Then in here we want to pass in a parameter num and a colon. So what we want to do is num times num, because that's basically cubing a number. For example, you want to cube 3, it's 3 times 3 times 3. So for you to cube the number, then we could just come over here and let's call the function num. We could call the function cube. Sorry, I was calling the function num. It's supposed to be the function cube. So in here we want to cube a number, so let's pass in 2, and it's supposed to give us 8. So when we run this, you see nothing happens. And why is that? Why is that not running what we actually wanted to run? Let's rerun this. You see, nothing happens again. Calling this function now shows that nothing happens in our terminal. Okay, let's go ahead and print it and see if it works. So I want to copy this, then print and paste that in. So I'll run this, and you see now it shows none. And it's supposed to show a number which is in the cube of 2. And why is that happening? So that brings us to return statement in Python. Instead of you just putting this like this over here, you need to put in a return. So when with this keyword over here, return, when you run this again, you see it gives 8. So this is basically what the return statement does in Python. You just use a return num times num times num, then you compress it a very huge number over here and say it cubes the number 640 million. I don't know if that's correct. So that's pretty much it for return statements in Python. It's very easy using return statements in Python. Now we can use this program to cube any number. 4 would give us 16. Let's check that out. Okay, sorry for that. 4 would give us 64. I'm sorry for that. 4 would give us 64. And we could also store the cube function in a result variable, that we don't have to always print the whole function itself. Now we have to print the result. So let me show you how to do that. Get rid of the print. Then you want to say result is equal to cube. Now down here you want to print results. So you don't have to come over here always and rerun all the function again. All you have to do is pass in the number in here. Now run this, it gives you the answer. Pass in the number, run this, it gives you the answer. Pass in a way more complex number, run this, it would give you the answer. You could even pass in a more complex number if you want, and run this, you get your answer. So that's it for this. It's really straightforward and easy. And the code below the run statement would not run. Take note of that. So any code below the run statement would not run. So let's go ahead and practicalize that. Let me get rid of all this. Let's leave this in 2. So let's say down here we want to print this is a return statement. Then when we run this, what do you think happens? It ignores this because it's in the return statement. It's not gonna work. So let's print this now, and it says this is a return statement 8. That's because it's outside of the indentation. So any code that's below the return statement isn't gonna work. So that's pretty much it for return statement, and hopefully you learned something new. And if you did, do not forget to give this video a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with future videos. And the next video will be talking about if statement, and I hope I'll see you there. Bye.